Welcome to dear friend of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. And now just to mute the ringtone you should swipe this white dot with your finger to the left side. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here in volume button function you got selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just press your down volume button here on the left side of your device. You can also move the ringtone volume on your device, and also you can do this by the third way. Just press your up or down volume button and swipe this volume panel with your finger to the down. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.